Today I will be showing you how I make blueberry muffins. These are bakery style. This is the only way I make my muffins. I start off preheating the oven to 400 degrees and aligning my muffin tins. I start off with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, then I go in with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then I do 1 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 1/2 teaspoon salt, and I give that all a really good mix. In another bowl, I get 1 1/2 cup unsalted butter. It has to be room temperature. Then I go in with 3/4 cup granulated sugar, and I mix this with my electric hand mixer. And then what I do is I throw in 1 egg at a time. These have to be room temperature, and I do 2 eggs. Then I go in with vanilla extract. I do 3 teaspoons of that. And this is optional, but I like to do lemon zest and a little bit of lemon juice. Then I give it a really good mix. In a separate bowl, I go in with 1 cup sour cream, room temperature, and 1 1/2 cup whole milk. I give that a really good mix as well. Then what I end up doing is just taking that egg mixture, pouring it into the flour mixture along with that sour cream and milk mixture, and I give it a really good mix. It is going to be really thick. Then I go in with a spatula and then mix in my blueberries. I usually do 2 cups. You can do more or less. Then I go in with 1 tablespoon and scoop it into the muffin tins. I usually have a ice cream scoop, but I can't find it, so I ended up doing 2 scoops and then putting into the oven, and I baked it for around 45 to 50 minutes. You just insert a toothpick and make sure that it's done, and enjoy.